Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous tous allez très bien. Je m'appelle Moksha et vous êtes à Language Fluent. Hey linguists, hope you're doing well. My name is Moksha and you're watching Language Fluent. Language Fluent is an institute that teaches foreign languages for job or immigration purpose. So we provide 2-year job-oriented courses at Language Fluent. For further details, contact us on the given numbers or you can download the application link which is available in the description box. Donc, aujourd'hui on va étudier décrivez une ville. Décrivez une ville. So today we will learn about describing a city. Décrivez is to describe. Une ville is a city. So this topic is mainly considered in writing skills or oral skills. So this is very important topic for writing or oral skills. So here you basically describe your city or the city of your choice. So in this, for example, I am writing about my city. So your city will be different or the city you want to describe will be different. But here we have few aspects which are common in each and every cities. So we will learn these aspects in this video and we will look at each and every aspect to be covered for describing a city in this video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So I have written aspects which are important which you need to cover while describing the city of your choice. So the first one is no. No means name of your city. Of course, when you start describing the city of your choice, you write name of a city. But here you don't write articles. You don't add la, la, le over here because cities don't have gender. We write the name of a city as it is. Then we have où est cette ville? Où est cette ville? Which means where is this city? So here you write where is your city or the city you are describing is situated. For example, if I am writing or speaking about my city, I'll say my city is situated in India in this or this region. So accordingly you have to write where is your city situated. Then we have habitants. Habitants means habitants. So here you write the approximate number of the people living in your city or the city which you are describing. So habitant is also important. Then you write la description. Description means description. So here you describe your city. So you will look at elements which are essential to describe the city which you want to write or which you want to speak. Then we have c'est connu pour. C'est connu pour, which means it is famous for. Now each and every city are famous for some or the other things. So what is the city famous for is the element which you add in this aspect. Now we have qu'est-ce qu'on trouve. Qu'est-ce qu'on trouve, which means what do we find? What do we find? So here you can write like you find here some food items or some artwork in the city. So you can write those elements in this. Qu'est-ce qu'on trouve? What do you find in the city? Then we have lieu à visiter. Lieu à visiter. So here you write which are the famous places to visit in that city. So all the places which are well known, which are famous of that city, you add that in lieu à visiter. And the last you write is votre impression. Votre impression, which means your impression. So in this you write what do you feel about this city which you are describing. What are your impressions on this city? So I will be describing about city Mumbai. So here I will be considering each and every aspects which are essential to describe a city Mumbai. So here first aspect as we know is le nom, that is name of a city. And how do we say that? Ma ville s'appelle Mumbai. Ma ville s'appelle Mumbai, which means my city's name is Mumbai or the name of my city is Mumbai. This is used to say the name of your city or to describe name of a city. Then we can also say la ville que je vais décrire s'appelle Mumbai. La ville que je vais décrire s'appelle Mumbai. So this means the city that I will describe is Mumbai. The city that I will describe is Mumbai. So if Mumbai is not your city, but you want to describe this city, you write this phrase. La ville que je vais décrire s'appelle Mumbai. Then you can write one line on Mumbai. Mumbai est la capitale de Maharashtra. Mumbai est la capitale de Maharashtra. So this means Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. So you can add this way one or two lines of your choice to write like some phrases on the city you are describing. Then we write where is it located. Où se trouve. Where is it situated? So we say elle se trouve à l'ouest de l'Inde. Elle se trouve à l'ouest de l'Inde, which means it is situated at the west of India, at the west side of India. So l'ouest is west. This way you can write east, west, north or south. Then we write about habitants, habitants. So here how do we say that? Il y a plus de 10 millions de personnes dans cette ville. Il y a plus de 10 millions de personnes dans cette ville, which means there are more than 10 millions of people in this city. This is how you write about inhabitants of your city or the city you are describing. Then we write c'est une ville belle et vivante. We write description of the city. We write c'est une ville belle et vivante, which means it's a beautiful and lively city. Now we will look at the aspect c'est connu pour, it is famous for, and for that we write cette ville est connue pour les monuments historiques, les hôtels, les musées. Les monuments historiques, les hôtels, les musées. So we write this as this city is known for historic monuments, hotels and museums. This is the English translation of this sentence. So here you can write anything which your city or the city you are describing is famous for. Now we will write what do we find in this city? Qu'est-ce qu'on trouve? So we write il y a des beaux jardins. Il y a de beaux jardins, which means there are beautiful gardens. You can also write any other elements over here instead of jardin, that is garden. We can also say on voit beaucoup de plages à Juhu, à Marve. On voit beaucoup de plages à Juhu, à Marve, which means we see many beaches at Juhu, at Marve. So you can write about beach over here, and you can also write any other element which you want to add in your city. Then here why do we visit and what are the places we visit in this city is what our next element. So we will say on peut visiter le zoo de Jijamata, le musée à Colaba. On peut visiter le zoo de Jijamata, le musée à Colaba. So this means we can visit the zoo of Jijamata, the museum at Colaba. So these are considered to be places that we can visit in the city which we are describing. So this is about places to visit. Then we can also write about le temple de Mahalakshmi est situé au bord de la mer. Le temple de Mahalakshmi est situé au bord de la mer. So this means the temple of Mahalakshmi is situated at the bank of the sea. So similarly you can add any other elements. If there is a mosque, if there is a église, that is church in your city, you can write that over here. And finally we write about our impression on the city we are describing. So we say j'aime beaucoup ma ville. J'aime beaucoup ma ville, or we can also say j'adore ma ville. J'adore ma ville. So this both means I like my city very much. I like my city very much, or I love my city. So in this case you can also write j'aime beaucoup cette ville. If the city which you are describing is not your city, you can write over here cette. J'aime beaucoup cette ville, which means I like very much this city, or I like this city very much. Thank you. So, we are at the end of our lecture. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Do hit the bell icon which is there on your YouTube app to never miss on our latest videos. Also hit like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. To register for the full courses at Language Fluent, you can contact us on the given numbers, or you can check the description box where you can fill out the forms. We also provide translator and interpreter services at Language Fluent. So hope to see you guys in next lecture. À bientôt. Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much.